Hey everybody! Welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell. So today I'm going to talk about exercise. This is an important topic because everybody should exercise. Exercising or working out is necessary for good health. Let's talk about some different types of exercise. One popular type of exercise is running. I'm a terrible runner because I get really tired when I run, but I want to improve my running. Some people like running short distances, and some people like running long distances. I'm pretty fast when I run short distances, but I'm slow when I run long distances. I need to train more. Some people prefer running outside and other people run on the treadmill. A treadmill is a machine for running. I don't like running on the treadmill. I prefer running outside in nature.
How about you?
Do you prefer running outside or on the treadmill? Okay, another popular type of exercise is weightlifting. People lift weights to build muscle and get stronger. Most people go to the gym to lift weights. In the past, I went to the gym often to work out. I lifted weights every week at the gym. But now I don't go to the gym. I have some weights at home so I can lift weights here. But I don't have a lot of equipment so I can't do many exercises. Some people have their own mini gym in their garage. I wish I had this. Weightlifting is hard because weights are heavy. If you're not strong, you can't lift a lot of weight. But if you start lifting weights, you can get stronger. Alright, another popular type of exercise is playing sports. Playing sports is good exercise and it's fun. Some people don't need to run or lift weights because they already play sports. Playing sports is good for your health. When I was young, I played many sports. I was pretty healthy. Sometimes I played sports with my friends, and other times I played by myself. What's your favorite sport? Another popular type of exercise is hiking. This is one of my favorite activities. Hiking is a great way to exercise because you don't need any equipment. It's free. Also, you can enjoy nature when you hike. If you live in a rural area, you probably have many places to hike. If you live in a big city, it's harder to find places to hike. I love hiking in the mountains, the forest, the desert, and in the hills. In the US, hiking is a very popular activity. People go hiking with their friends and sometimes with their dogs. In other countries, hiking isn't so popular. When I have the chance, I try to find new places to go hiking. Okay, one more type of exercise is walking. This is the simplest form of exercise. You can walk anywhere. I try to walk every day if I can because I really like walking. So, overall, there are many different types of exercise. You should try to exercise every day if you can. Alright, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me which type of exercise you like best. And remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for more English tips and lessons.
I'll see you next time.